Have you ever wondered what would happen if you did just one simple exercise every single day? No gym, no fancy equipment, just you, your body, and 50 squats. Today, we're diving deep into what happens when you challenge yourself with 50 squats daily. The results might shock you. First, let's talk about the most obvious change, your legs. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. After just a week, you'll start feeling tighter muscles, more strength, and yes, that slight soreness that tells you your body is growing stronger. Imagine climbing stairs without running out of breath or carrying heavy groceries with ease. But here's the real magic. Squats are not just for legs. They engage your core, improve your posture, and even help reduce back pain. When you squat correctly, your entire body learns balance and coordination. In fact, athletes call squats the king of exercises for a reason. Now let's talk about transformation. Doing 50 squats daily may not make you a bodybuilder overnight, but it will boost your metabolism. That means your body burns calories even while resting. Over time, you'll notice fat loss around your thighs and hips, and your jeans might start feeling a little looser. Combined with a healthy diet, this simple daily habit can completely reshape your lower body. Another hidden benefit? Mental toughness. When you commit to 50 squats every day, you're building discipline. It's not just about exercise, it's about proving to yourself that you can stick to a routine. And this mindset shift often spills into other areas of life: work, studies, and even relationships. Of course, we must talk about form. Doing squats wrong can hurt your knees or back. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, back straight, and push your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Go as low as comfortable, then rise back up. Quality is more important than speed. Remember, 50 good squats beat 100 bad ones. So what happens if you do 50 squats every day? Stronger legs, a toned body, improved metabolism, better posture, and a stronger mindset, all from just a few minutes daily. The only question left is, are you ready to take the challenge? Start today, and your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little push to start their fitness journey. Let's squat our way to a stronger life.